In this e-learning, we're going to show you some of the options to start adding charges to your patient files. There are several ways you can add charges to your patients. Let's start with some of the basic ones. Now that you have your customer and patients in the system, as well as your task files or charge codes with costs and price, we can start adding charges. I'm going to click on procedure, and the first one I'm going to introduce you to is add procedure. By clicking on add procedure, the task selection tool pops up. Here on the task, you're going to search from your charge codes. I'm going to use the one that I just created called emergency call. You select the unit and you click on select. This is going to bring up the form for more details. And of course, the first one you're going to start is, you can start typing, or in my case here, I'm going to use the mouse just for sake of making it easy on you. I'm going to use here, let's put on miracle. You tab over. As soon as you tab over, the program is going to grab a couple of details about the task. It is required to select the inventory location, the scenario, who is prescribing, and who is performing. With this data, you can go ahead. Over here, you can put comments, extra comments to show in the invoice. If it is internal comments, you can write anything over here and hide. Likewise, if you have extra comments, you can write them over here and hide. And then you can simply save the charge. So this was the first one where you add the charge. The second one is called quick data entry, and I'm going to use the procedure quick data entry. It's kind of the same form. You're going to be first to select this one time. On your second entry, it will remember, so you don't have to pick every time, but it's required to have the inventory location, prescribed by and performed by. Then you're going to click on all, pick a patient. I'm going to this time use classic sport. As soon as you select the patient, it comes with the details and tags and everything about the patient. If you hover the mouse on this icons, you will be able to get phone number, email addresses, and everything. Over here, you can then start grabbing your charges. I'm going to charge for lameness XM. You tab over. You can change the price right on the spot, as long as the professional, when you entered, you have the discount allowance. If you don't have the discount allowance for that patient, this field will not be available. Here you have the short comment and the option to hide, extra comment and the option to hide the comment. And here I'm going to charge for this, I'm going to round to $100 and save. A couple of things that you're going to notice is these checkboxes. These were built with the idea for multiple data entry that you keep working in sequence in a loop. First thing, you hold the form. So as you activate the form holder, you will be able to keep the form. And also you can determine which fields will be held in the form. So in this case, I say, stay with this date, stay with this task, and I'm going to change the patient. And you just type the name and you go to the 1 and 2. When you hit save, it makes the entry clear the fields that do not have the hold value, and you keep in this loop. So today you learned the first two basic options to start entering charges into WISE option. Thanks for watching.